There's an outbreak of kennel cough in the Chippewa Valley, and veterinarians say the virus is very contagious. Now, none of the dogs in this video have kennel cough, but just yesterday, veterinarians at Kindness Animal Hospital in Lake Hallie treated 2 dogs with it. And veterinarian Margaret McDougall says other area animal clinics are seeing the same thing. McDougall says kennel cough is a group of viruses and bacteria, and if your dog catches it, they will develop a bad cough that sounds like a honking noise. She says if it's bad enough, the dog will need to be treated.
Sometimes within a week or 2, the dog will be a lot better. They don't need any treatment. When they're really coughing a lot, where they're not sleeping, the owner's not sleeping, they need a cough suppressant, and then in some cases too, we'll do an antibiotic for the bacterial part.
McDougall says there is a vaccine your dog can get to protect them from kennel cough.